Welcome to DataHangar, your comprehensive aviation operations management system. This tutorial will walk you through the dashboard's key features, helping you stay on top of your schedule, compliance, and operational requirements. Let's dive in. The dashboard opens with your personal roster calendar on the left side. Here you'll see your scheduled shifts color-coded by type. Navigate between months using the arrow buttons, or click Today to jump back to the current date. Simply click any day to view detailed information about that shift, including who else is on duty and any flights scheduled for that day. Next to your roster, you'll find the On Duty section, which shows all personnel rostered for your selected date. Personnel are grouped by shift type with their duty times displayed. Your name appears first in your shift group for easy identification. This gives you instant visibility into team composition for any given day. At the bottom of the main panel, the My Flights section displays all flights scheduled for your selected roster day. Each flight card shows the time, status, flight ID, aircraft, route, and your assigned role. Click any flight to view complete flight details and documentation. On the right side, you'll find three critical action tabs. The Recency and Renewals tab tracks your certifications, currency requirements, and alerts. Items are color-coded. Red dots indicate expired items requiring immediate attention. Yellow shows caution items approaching expiry, and green means you're current. Click any item to navigate directly to your personnel record for updates. The Unread Notices tab keeps you informed of important organizational communications. The Unsigned Timesheets tab alerts you to any timesheets that need your signature, showing how many days ago each shift occurred. Click any item to complete the required action. The DataHangar dashboard provides everything you need at a glance: your schedule, team information, flights, compliance status, and action items. Stay current, stay compliant, and stay safe. For additional help, click the tutorial button in the top right corner anytime.